Welcome to the Portal Connect online training tutorial of how to schedule an appointment and cancel upcoming appointments. The information you will see in this video is purely fictitious and used for training purposes only. If the practice you attend allows scheduling appointments online, to book an appointment, select the blue link Book an Appointment within the Appointments tab. This will redirect you to a screen that allows you to choose the provider you wish to book the appointment with and the kind of visit you are booking the appointment for. Once you've selected the kind of visit, you will see another drop-down menu displayed to pick the appointment type. Once you have selected the appointment type, you will see the option to choose the date of the appointment. If you do not see the appointment type you are looking for, please contact your practice directly, as this type of appointment may not be allowed for online booking. You can also find the next available appointment by selecting the blue link Find Next Available Appointment. Choose the time slot by selecting one of the white rectangles on the schedule. Please state the reason for your visit, as this field is mandatory. You also have the option to add an attachment to your appointment from your computer by selecting Browse Computer Files. Or you can add an attachment from your library files in your Portal Connect account by selecting Browse Library Files. Once finished, select the blue Schedule button. Once the appointment is scheduled, you will be prompted with a window confirming your visit has been scheduled with said doctor. If the practice has a cancellation fee, this window will also state the period of time you must cancel ahead of your appointment time, or you may incur a cancellation fee. If your practice allows it and you would like to cancel an upcoming appointment, please select the Appointments tab. Once selected, this will display all upcoming appointments with the practice. Select the appointment date you wish to cancel and the upcoming appointment will open. On the right-hand side of the page, under Links, you will see the option to cancel appointment. Select the blue link Cancel Appointment and the window will appear asking if you would really like to cancel this appointment. If the practice has a cancellation fee, this will also be displayed in the window. That concludes our training tutorial on how to schedule an appointment and cancel an upcoming appointment.